President Biden received a briefing from his COVID-19 response team today about the latest in the fight against the pandemic. This comes as the White House pushes for new vaccine mandates. A committee is also debating whether booster shots are needed for the Moderna or Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Skyler Henry reports on this.
The number of new COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths is declining, which the White House says is because of an increase in vaccinations.
Vaccines have been remarkably effective at keeping people out of the hospital and saving their lives.
A new study shows more than 90,000 American deaths since June could have been prevented if they were vaccinated. And the Biden administration is finalizing a mandate that all businesses with more than 100 workers require their employees be vaccinated.
We have to take that lesson and build on it and ensure that we take the weeks and months ahead to vaccinate as quickly as possible the over 65 million people who remain unvaccinated.
Vaccine mandates are already facing legal challenges. Wednesday, a federal judge in Texas blocked United Airlines from putting unvaccinated workers on leave. While the Biden administration pushes for Americans to get their first vaccine dose, an FDA advisory committee is looking into whether people with the Moderna or Johnson & Johnson vaccine need a booster shot.
Over time, there is still relative preservation of the effectiveness of the vaccine against preventing hospitalization, yet there seems to be a decrease over the course of time against overall COVID-19 that was observed.
The group will also look at a new study, which shows people with the one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine may be better off switching up and getting a booster shot from the Moderna or Pfizer vaccine. Skyler Henry, CBS News, Silver Spring, Maryland.
A vote on the Moderna booster shots is expected later today. The group is scheduled to vote on the Johnson & Johnson booster tomorrow. The CDC will have to approve the booster shots as well as before they become available to the public.